Good morning. We're getting you the latest updates that are coming in on the match that's underway between India and Great Britain. The women's hockey team fighting it out for bronze. At this point, the score is at 1-0. Great Britain opening their account, scoring one goal in the beginning of the second quarter. The first quarter was completely goalless as both teams gave it their all. India is now pushing aggressively to try and equalize the score at the earliest. So let's see how really things play out. At this point, Great Britain has one goal. Let me take this across to Siddhant Maheshwari. He's joining us live from our newsrooms with all the latest updates on the match. Siddhant, good morning. First quarter completely goalless. Both sides pushed hard. No success on either side. The second quarter, in a matter of almost 1 minute, Great Britain managed to score.
Yeah, Akshita, very unfortunate way to concede. Actually, if you would have seen it, because the Great Britain player put the ball towards the Indian player who ended up deflecting it back into our own net. Deep Grace Eka would have totally been...
Siddhant, just a quick update. Great Britain has scored another goal. So it's now at 2-0, unfortunately. So Britain extending their lead there. And it's now at 2-0. Unfortunate, really, Siddhant. Let's just hope there's enough time. This is the second quarter. Let's just hope India manages to catch up right now. This is a great team. Let's not make any doubts of that. Great Britain is a great team. In fact, they've beaten us in this Olympic journey previously also. Having said that, our team is a resurgent side after that win against Australia. So let's hope that, we manage to really equalize. A lot of time still left on the clock.
Yeah, actually, a lot of time still left on the clock, but yeah, it's true that our record against Great Britain isn't that great. Not just this Olympics where we lost 1-4 to Great Britain. There's also this 0-6 loss in the bronze medal match in the Commonwealth Games in 2018. So our record against Great Britain hasn't been great, but hopefully the women can make a comeback in some form. But going 2 goals down right at the beginning of the second quarter, that way is not looking good for India. But hopefully, because if they come out of this, the campaign has been great so far, but we need a goal to push the girls for the second leveler so that we can definitely push for a win. But for now, Great Britain dominating the game. As you can see, they have been mounting attacks one after the other. And India really need to shore up their defense. And after that, probably attack. They had a great penalty corner just before Great Britain's second goal. But they could not convert it. They missed their chance. They could not find the right passes
we've got another penalty corner right now. Let's hope it translates to a goal, in which case it will become 2-1. So we'll be tracking that as well to see if it becomes a goal. But let me take this across for the moment to Anisha Mathur. She's joining us live from outside Rani Rampal's house in Kurukshetra. Anisha, tense moments this. Doesn't seem to be going our way right now. I'm sure the family also is very nervous seeing how things are panning out right now.
Well, Akshita, the family is inside the house. They're watching the match. The doors are closed and they have been very tense since the morning, waiting for this match to begin. And you can hear the sounds from inside with every move, with every penalty corner, with every goal. And there is just cheering coming in from inside.
Scored a goal, Anisha. We've scored a goal.
Good news. And there's a goal by India. There's the goal by India. There's the cheering coming from inside the house, from the neighbor's house. We're outside in the street where from both sides of the street we could hear cheering coming from the house. So India has just scored its first goal against Great Britain, and it's a day of elation, it's a day of tension. A lot is going on here. The family of course has said that they're not going to be speaking, but one of the well-wishers has just come outside. Uncle Ji,
जी आपके सर में अरदास करके आया हूँ और
क्या अभी एक गोल हो गया इंडिया की तरफ कैसा चल रहा है?
मैडम इंडिया जीतेगा
और अंदर
माहौल कैसा है? क्या उनके जो है
कोई दिमाग पे टेंशन नहीं, आराम से बैठे सारे मैच देख रहे हैं जी। मैं बस अभी दोबारा फिर जाके आ रहा हूँ 5 मिनट में।
This was one of the well-wishers. He's someone who's worked with Rani's father, and he's just gone out of the house after the first goal has been scored. Cheers came out, cheers all across the gully here from every household as India scored its first goal, and the entire country watching on tenterhooks what happens next in this match. We're in the middle of the second quarter. Back to you.
Absolutely. We could hear the cheers, Anisha, all around you. That's how you figured also that India has finally scored a goal. So it's a 2-1. Gurjeet managed to score for India during a penalty corner. Siddhant, this is exactly what we need. One more such moment and we've tied it. We've equalised it with Britain.
Can India pull off what they did against, like the men did against Germany? They remember we were 3-1 down at one point yesterday, and hopefully the women, after Great Britain took a 2-0 lead, hopefully now they pulled one back. One more if it comes soon enough, then I'm sure India will start pushing forward even more. And Gurjeet Kaur for that matter, her third goal in 3 matches. She scored against Australia, she scored against Argentina even in the loss, and now she has scored again. So hopefully she can continue, and today we need at least 2 or 3 goals from her so that India can go on and win this game, Akshata.
Absolutely. So we'll see how things really pan out right now. We are doing well. We're pushing very, very aggressively. So we've scored our first goal in the match. It's at 2-1 right now. We need one more to equalize. I'd be a little greedy and even push for 2 more so that we take the lead against Britain. There's a lot of time left. This is still the second quarter. So let's hope that, we can ensure that we continue the form that we're in right now. India, and if you're watching the match, the women in blue really pushing hard right now. They are going all out and are ensuring that in most cases it translates to a goal again. So let's see what happens at this point. We've scored our second goal. India now has tied it with Great Britain. We're at 2-2. In a matter of minutes, we've scored 2 goals again, converting a penalty corner into a goal. So right now it's a 2-2. After Britain took a lead, now India has equalized. Great performance really by the women in blue. Siddhant, great news. 2-2 now.
I was just talking about how Gurjeet Kaur needs to score 2 or 3 goals, and she has just scored her second goal. Great news coming in, and like the game yesterday, it looks like now India is in the ascendancy. We have to keep building on this. 2 goals now, hopefully 1 more, so that then the pressure will be on Great Britain. So 2 great goals by Gurjeet Kaur, both penalty corners she has scored from, converted those penalty corners. It was a need of the hour for India to continue and keep mounting pressure on Great Britain. We don't have a great record against them, but we have been doing really well in the last 3-4 matches. After the loss against Great Britain, we won 2 games, the 2 group games that we need to win to even qualify for the quarterfinals. And after the quarterfinal, we beat Australia, and then Argentina, of course, was a close call for India, even though we lost the game at the end. But right now, 2-2 now. That's a big comeback by the Indian women, and hopefully they can kick on from here, Akshata.
I have a feeling, much like yesterday, today also, it's going to be a high-scoring match. This is going to be a high-scoring game. It's a 2-2 right now. Let's hope that India makes it 3-2 very, very soon. We're in sensational form. 2 goals being scored in a matter of minutes. Let's take a look at the Olympic journey so far for the Indian women's hockey team. It started off on a very, very bad note. The first match was against Netherlands, very strong team, but India lost 1-5, and it looked like things weren't simply going our way. The second match also wasn't a great performance. It was an under-par performance, and that's why we again lost 0-2 to Germany. After that, match 3, again India didn't do well. The women in blue against Great Britain, who we're playing right now, we lost 1-4. But after that, somewhere things seem to have turned. It looks like there was introspection, and things turned in the 4th match, where finally India beat Ireland 1-0. Then you had India versus South Africa, India winning 4-3, a win by really the barest of margins. And then you had the match that everyone spoke about, India versus Australia. India winning 1-0 and knocking out tournament favourites Australia from the match. We were then fighting it out for gold against Argentina. Unfortunately, Argentina won 2-1. So right now, we're fighting it out for the bronze medal against Great Britain. As I mentioned earlier, we've lost to Great Britain, but at that time, we weren't in the sensational form that we are in right now. I want to take this across to Aishwarya. She's joining us live from Nisha's house. Aishwarya, good morning. We've been tracking the mood at the houses of all of these girls. I'm sure there are a lot of tense moments. Right now, the last few minutes must have, given such a huge sigh of relief for all of these families.
Well, not just for the family. In fact, I'll ask Pradeep to pan and to show you. She is a cousin of Neha and the tricolor is out. All of them are now making sure that this is a flag which they will hoist on the rooftop if the team wins. And, in fact, the mother also sitting with the Krishnan idol here. All of them. अब जो दो का हो गया है स्कोर, तो अब क्या लग रहा है आपको? जीत बस कुछ ही मिनटों में
3 हो गए, 3 गोल्ड हो गए। हाँ, और बहुत खुशी हमें कि 3, हाँ बहुत खुशी हो रही है हमें। हाँ।
ये बताइए, जितना पसीना, जितने आंसू, जो सब चीजें अब तक आप लोगों ने की हैं, पूरे परिवार ने की हैं, आपको लगता है कि उसका नतीजा है कि ये मेडल लेके आएगी?
हाँ, नतीजा के मेडल लेके आएगी, ये पूरा देश का नाम रोशन करेंगे ये बच्चे। हाँ, रोशन।
वन मोर थिंग, इधर आ जाओ। ये सी आई जस्ट आस्क प्रदीप टू शो यू, दिस इज द वेरी हॉकी स्टिक विथ which Neha used to practice, and this is out now because the family believes whenever this stick is in this room, and this is the room where they are sitting and watching the match, whenever the stick comes out, this is the stick, they believe once the stick is out, then the medal will be ours. Akshita.
A lot of tense moments right now. India's taken the lead 3-2, but the decision has been challenged by Great Britain. So they're doing a replay right now to see if it is actually a third goal or not. We've got our fingers crossed that this challenge is shot down by the umpires. If it is, that means India's taken the lead. That means it's 3-2. So let's in fact get you all the latest on that. We'll have to see whether the goal is upheld, whether the decision that this was a goal is upheld, or whether it's cancelled, in which case it's back to 2-all. Siddhant is joining us with more on this. So Siddhant, very tense moments right now. India taking the lead 3-2, but the decision of that being decided as a goal has been challenged by Great Britain right now.
Yeah, of course, Great Britain challenged the call on account of they think that one of the Indian players carried the ball, like it hit the foot or probably bounced a little too higher than it should have been in the D. But of course, India is celebrating, and hopefully the call stays with India, Akshita. But a great move that way. Nobody thought that would have resulted in a goal, but the Indian attackers were pouncing on the ball right in the D and managed to finish it at the end. And the goal stands.
All right, it is a goal. Siddhant, it is a goal. 3-2.
Yes. The goal stands, Akshita. The video, Great Britain has lost their video referral, and now India has taken the lead. 3 goals in what 7-8 minutes, Akshita, at max? What a brilliant comeback by this Indian side. What a brilliant comeback by this Indian side. After the men, they are showing that they're equal to the men for sure. No, even in fact better, because Great Britain had scored 2 and we did not have a single goal. At least we had 1 goal yesterday when we were playing Germany, even though it was a 2-goal cushion for Germany as well. But now Great Britain is definitely going to start attacking more. But if India can counter-attack and produce more goal-scoring opportunities, then that could be it for India. They could definitely score more goals, because now Britain will be the one that'll have to push harder for the next goal.
What a great moment this is. I said that this could perhaps be a high-scoring match. I think I'm right. We're going to be seeing a lot of goals being scored, hopefully by India more than Britain. At this point, India's taken the lead. It definitely, again, it's a script that happened and played out yesterday. It's the same script that we're seeing playing out today also. At 1.20, now it's 3-2. And there was a referral of that last goal. Great Britain tried to contest it. It was shot down by the umpires. And, you should just see the celebrations out there on the field. The women really dancing soon after that announcement. But this is great. India now taking the lead, which means that, there'll be greater pressure right now on Britain to catch up, to ensure that they tie it, and India will be pushing back as aggressively as they can to ensure they don't give any opportunity to Great Britain to score or to level the tie right now. Remember that this is the second quarter, so we have quite a bit of time to go in the match, and let's hope that things play out in our favour. It remains this way at 3-2 with us ahead by even 1 more goal, if you ask me. I'd like to be a little greedy and ask for that as well. Anisha is still with us from outside Rani Rampal's house. Anisha, I'm sure celebrations are happening right now. 3-2 from 2-0.
Well, yes, the second quarter has been very, very good to India. And I'm going to just ask my camera person Nasir to show you what's happening inside. We're outside the house. It's now half time. The family is inside watching. And all of us have actually, the media persons who are standing outside Rani's house, have been watching through this very window what is happening inside. I'm going to ask Nasir to just pan out and show you across this entire street. Everybody, all the media persons are watching this on their phones. No, every goal, every move, and every penalty corner, every sound is coming from every house in this gully. Everyone, all of the neighbors are watching, and you can hear everything that is happening in all in the entire match. बेटा अभी आप अंदर बैठ के देख रहे थे, क्या हो रहा है अंदर?
अंदर अभी गोल हुआ है, उनका टाइम अप हुआ, अभी 30 मिनट्स बाकी है गेम में.
अभी 30 मिनट्स बाकी है गेम में. मजे आ रहे हैं?
हाँ, बहुत मजा आ रहा है अभी.
So this family members and neighbors of Rani Rampal have also gone inside the house. They've been watching inside with the rest of the family. The neighbors, of course, as I've been saying, every move that's being made, the sounds, the oohs, the ahs, the cheers, the tension, everything is coming out loud and clear from every house in this street as we wait. Now we've gone into halftime. India in the lead with a 3-2. And the entire country is crossing its fingers and hoping for a bronze. Back to you.
Into halftime now, we're seeing that we have taken the lead at 3-2. So the pressure is on Great Britain. We couldn't have asked for a better performance by the women in blue. They're fighting it out. They've shown that they've got the mettle to do this. They showed they've got it in them to beat a team like Great Britain. And it's amazing, really, to see them on the field right now, giving it their absolute all. From 2-0, they've come back and in a matter of minutes scored one goal after another and ensured that they've taken the lead again, that they're in the commanding position. And that really shows you what this team is all about. You know, earlier I was talking about how India's Olympic performance was, this women's hockey team, in the beginning of this campaign. If anyone said that they would be in a commanding position over Britain, that they would be at 3-2 over Britain, nobody would have believed that because of the way they were performing then. Since then, a complete turnaround and how they've been performing in every single game. Can they do it in this particular match? 2 more quarters to go. At this point, it's at 3-2. India just need to ensure that they hold on to that lead, Siddhant, that they don't give Great Britain an opportunity to score.
It's funny, Akshata, how India qualified for the quarterfinals. If you know about it, they needed Ireland to lose in the last game for India to make it to the quarters. You know who beat Ireland? Great Britain. So that way, Great Britain, if India goes on and wins this game, they brought about their own downfall in a way. But the first 3 matches, as you rightly pointed out, India weren't good at all in the group stages. But something turned, something changed after those 3 games, after that 1-4 loss against Great Britain specifically. Right after that, India, when they came against Ireland, they won the game, and then they won their last group game, and then you saw their performance against Australia. It has to be highlighted for an Indian women's team to beat Australia, such dominant side over the years. A brilliant team, Australia, and then they defeated them 1-0, did not even concede a single
Come across to you. My apologies for interrupting, but Dilip Rathod is currently speaking to Vandana Kataria's folks. She just scored that goal that ensured India got the lead. Apologies. We'll just go across to Dilip in just a bit. He's speaking to Vandana Kataria's family. Remember, Vandana has just scored the 3rd goal, which means that she ensured that we've got a lead now against Great Britain. So going into the next quarter, India is in a commanding position. We will ensure that we continue to fight with all the aggression that we've been showing in the last 2 quarters. Last few minutes of the second quarter has really made all the difference for the women in blue. They've ensured that they didn't just equalize with Great Britain, but have gone 1 up. The score stands at 3-2. I'm slipping into a very short break. We're continuing to get you all the live updates on the match that's underway between India and Great Britain. A fight for history, a fight for bronze.